These outstanding 3D printed products were made by the Mike Express 3D Printing Company. As you can see by the excellent display of products, Mike has catered for a wide range of customers. We have iPhone holders in the shapes of dogs and cats, cobras, crocodiles, and redback spiders. We have great figurines such as Thomas the Tank Engine, Peppa Pig, Fireman Sam. We have operating clocks in the shape of coffee cups. We have super yacht models. We have photo frames. We have owl pen holders. There are even iPhone holders in the shape of trees. There are Game of Thrones mugs, Gaelic mugs, knights. There's even a small jewellery box, twist top, in the shape of a dragon egg. Even animals like prawns and crabs and camels and panthers and wonderful elephants. There are even soccer balls. These products were printed using the FlashForge Adventurer 4 3D printer. Mike has another 3D printer on the way, the Creality K1 Speedy 3D printer, which prints at speeds of up to 12 times an average 3D printer and to a very high quality. This is all part of the Mike Express 3D Printing Company. Mike takes orders online or by word of mouth. There is a Mike Express 3D printing catalogue which is available either in hard copy or by email. Mike does take custom orders. A recent example being 20 redback themed iPhone holders for Redback Solutions, which the company absolutely loved. Here is the FlashForge Adventurer 4 3D printer currently in operation. And as you can see, Mike's workstation comes with a significant amount of filament, tools and accessories. A reminder, please feel free to reach out to the Mike Express 3D Printing Company in order to meet all your 3D printing needs. We look forward to working very closely with you now and well into the future. All the very best from the Mike Express 3D Printing Company. Talk soon. Thank you.